Hello there, and welcome. Today, I'm going to make a habanero salsa, but before I do that, I'm going to talk about its species that it comes from. The species is Capsicum chinense. It's from the family Solanaceae. Some of the natural history for Capsicum chinense is that it's perennial, meaning it can grow several years, but it may not survive colder conditions. It can germinate by its own seed. Also, they can either self-pollinate or they can cross-pollinate through wind or insects, including bees. The distribution of Capsicum chinense is that it came from Central America, the Yucatan region, and the Caribbean. One thing I find fascinating about Capsicum chinense is that a lot of people had a misconception of where it originated from. A lot of people thought it came from China because of the name chinense, kind of similar to Chinese. Some of the relationship that Capsicum chinense has with humans is that the species has been breeded by human selection, where they can actually take the actual peppers and they can make them even hotter or even bigger. But it also has a lot of health benefits with humans because of that chemical capsaicin. It can help lower the risk of prostate cancer. It can lower blood pressure. It can also lower high cholesterol. So an interesting thing about Capsicum chinense is the heat levels that these plants produce. So the heat levels are based off the Scoville scale, which are Scoville heat units. So for example, the habanero pepper, it has 100,000 to 350,000 SHU units, and that's considered to be very hot. Another pepper that comes from Capsicum chinense is the Trinidad scorpion. That one is at 500,000 to 1,463,700. And the hottest pepper in the world that comes from Capsicum chinense is the Carolina Reaper. That is the hottest pepper, and that comes in at 1,569,300 SHU units. The jalapeno pepper that we're all familiar with has 1,000 to 20,000 Scoville heat units. So these peppers are super hot, and if you eat them, you will feel the burn.
And I'm not talking about Bernie Sanders.
And now, to finish the habanero salsa, you take your onions, take your habaneros, 2 cloves of garlic, your cilantro, sugar. Take your sugar, take your salt, some pepper, put it in your blender. You blend this up, and after you blend it up, habanero salsa. Hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you next time.